Joining me in conversation is Bollywood Badshah Shah Rukh Khan and the owner of Kolkata Knight Riders team. Mr. Khan, has it sunk in? It's been 48 hours now.
I'm actually more concerned about how it happens with the players, because they're the Gautam is and all the boys, how they are feeling. So they seem to be just now. Iki told me that bhaiya ab lag raha hai kuch jeet gaye. So I think it's sinking in there. I had never really done anything for this, so for me, I don't know. It used to be very sinking when we never won. So now I want to float and swim and be happy and jump.
Would you say this is the biggest hit that Shah Rukh Khan has given in his career so far?
The biggest is always the next one. So the next one is the biggest hit. This one is big, mashallah. It's really nice. You know, a lot of people ask me things about, do you stand vindicated now? And you know, when I was running a team, a lot of people, and I'm not the only one who runs it, but unfortunately that's what people believe. Like this gentleman asked me, "Aap itna karte hain, main kuch nahi karta hu." But yeah, I'm there to take the brick bats, and yes, people do clap the loudest for me without realizing the actual work that goes within this. And because I'm responsible for that, you know, every time I felt...
But Mr. Khan, I can say of the 70,000 people we saw there, at least 35,000 turned up to see Shah Rukh Khan today.
You know, I like to believe about 1.25 billion love me, and I hope they love me. But what they turned up for is, I'll be very honest, to me it's strangely a fulfillment of a father's desire to sound right in front of his children. I'm a big lover of sports. I'm a big believer of sports, like Dr. Roy. And, you know, I always believe that if you can think that you can win, you will win. So I was...
And also you believe in marks for sports.
Yes, I believe in your marks for sports. I believe in sports. I think it's very important learning grounds for youngsters. And, you know, when you see a guy like Bisla or Debrata Das or Manoj or Iqbal, you know, and yeah, of course we have the stars. Gautam is the finest. Jacques Kallis and Yusuf. They're fantastic, all of them. But, you know, when you see a Balaji and these guys come up and shine, and suddenly there's this wonderful character called Bisla or Manoj Tiwari or a Debrata Das who's a great cricketer. But you don't know. This platform has gotten to him. So I just get extremely thrilled.
Something like your Chakde script?
No, something like every father and mother script for their children.
One last question about your little girl, Suhana, whom we saw in all the matches. Has she been the lucky charm for KKR this season?
Whether she likes it or not, now she'll have to come for all the matches. But it's very nerve-wracking for a little kid. I'd like to say this, that, you know, they're star kids, fortunately or unfortunately. I was always worried that they are going to be, you know, star issues being brought up and under my household. My wife has been worried. And then suddenly I noticed that these 4 or 5 years have taught my children, you know, it's an unreal world to be my children. I understand that. No, it is. It's not the best of places maybe, but there's so many flamboyant and fantastic things that surround them. It is very important that they realize the reality of life, that, you know, things can go wrong and you hold on tight. And, you know, you keep trying, striving, and things can go right too. And
Mr. Khan, I'll let you go after this. One memory that will always remain with me from the first season is you teaching Chris Gayle how to say, "Haar kar jeetne wale ko Bazigar kehte hai." Do you get up and tell yourself that at times? The true Bazigar?
No, he seems to have learned that very well. 3 seasons he played with us, and yeah, absolutely, he's learned it very well. Yeah, so if I teach someone, and even if it's a guy twice my size, I guess the learning remains, and I hope my kids learn that. What Chris learned from me, and me, I always knew that.
Thank you, and enjoy the moment, sir.
Mr. Khan, you had to... Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.